Welcome back, artists. Now that I have my feet sort of attached, another thing I want to consider is a pattern. I was wanting to put a pattern in here for the chest of Maddie to make it look kind of furry. I could do the whole dog to make it furry, but I feel like that would be a bit much. Take some of your extra clay and sort of experiment. Like, how could I make this look like fur? I probably want to make some marks. So by just drawing into it like that, I make some marks. This does make a kind of a big mark. I could press in with the clay tool. I could press in sideways this way. I could go to make it more triangular. I could go like this. I could also use the tip to make a mark. That. I could press this in to do a pattern. So there's lots of possibilities. I would encourage you to sort of experiment with the tools that you are thinking on a scrap piece. I'm thinking I'm going to just make some marks. Maybe I'll use this tool here to kind of start a row that maybe comes down. I'm just doing a little mark. And then I do want to try to get rid of those crumbs because it makes it look a little messy. So gentle pressure. And then I can make this maybe a little bit smaller as I go down the next row. A few less. Get rid of those crumbs. And I just keep kind of layering it up to fill in this space between the legs, the front legs of my dog. So this is one way that you can add a pattern. You don't want to be adding your pattern until you're essentially done with all of the other things, because as you sort of work on this, if I'm shaping something else, I can make the pattern disappear. Okay, so remember, it is expected that you include a pattern on your sculpture in some way.